Hi you guys. So today I got my Lush Kitchen subscription box for the month of June, and so now I'm going to open it for you so you can see what's in here. So I haven't seen any spoilers because I haven't been on Instagram, so I don't know what's in this box. So I'm going to see it for the first time along with y'all. Although some of you may already know what's in the box, right? All right. So it says fresh from the kitchen. Ooh, it smells really good. Here's the packing slip. Here's the descriptions of the products. Here's a little package that says Dream On Sleepyhead. And it's like a package with something in there. It says Dreamy Sleep Mask. Ooh, this sounds good. Okay. I'm assuming, oh my gosh. So in this one, it looks like there are two exclusives from what I can see right away. I'll show you them last, okay? So the first thing I see in here is the grass lotion, which I did not vote for because I already have some grass lotion. But I can see why people voted for it because it's something that was never sold to the public. It was only an exclusive available via the Lush UK kitchen at one point when they made 5 lotions that we chose. And one of them was grass. So I'm going to open it now and show you. Oh, whoa, that's the consistency of it. Usually when I show you a Lush lotion on all my videos of Lush lotions, I can turn it upside down and it's really thick. But this one is thick. It's just not as thick as some of the lotions. This is pretty much a normal consistency for the body lotions. So it's got a beautiful smell. It smells like the grass bubble bar, the grass shower gel, all the things that are made in the grass scent, the bath bomb, etc. I took a photo of all the Lush things that they've made with the grass scent. And so here's that photo. So it smells like real grass. I'm going to use it right now on my hands. It smells really nice. That smells very nice, and it's not greasy at all, which I love because I have a problem with a lot of lotions that they're too greasy, but this is absolutely not. So I love that. My skin just feels soft and smells like that wonderful grass fragrance. This has almond oil, cocoa butter, sandalwood, bergamot, and neroli. So the scent is made with neroli, bergamot, and sandalwood. And I would rate the grass lotion a 4 out of 5 rating. So that's good. And then next is the Sleepyhead massage bar. It's got a moon on there for sleepy time, for nighttime. So it's called Sleepyhead. And one of the other bars that are in the box with this got on this, but that's all right. It's still Sleepyhead is a lavender massage bar. It's not like a twilight or sleepy scent kind of lavender. It's a little bit more bright than that. It's got shea butter, something called horsetail herb, jojoba oil, lavender, fennel, which is kind of licoricey, and ylang-ylang. So lavender, fennel, and ylang-ylang. So it's kind of floral, kind of herbal, and kind of licoricey. Lush has made a couple of other bars that are lavendery that I like way more than this. I didn't vote for this because I always thought it was boring when it was out the first time, and it didn't last a whole long time, so I guess other people felt the same way. But if you like lavender and fennel, you'd really like Sleepyhead. So it's a massage bar. So what you do is you get your friend or your loved one or your significant other or whomever needs a massage. If they're sore, if they have sore muscles in their back, or even just for relaxation, you can rub this. It melts with the temperature of your skin, you can see, and it turns into an oil so that you can give a massage on the skin, and it has enough slip on the skin to give a good massage. And also the oils, like the lavender and such, are therapeutic. They're also aromatherapy. And you just rub it into the skin, and you can get many uses to this bar. And you just have to set it someplace. Like what I usually do is I get like an empty one of these, but a bigger one, and I just plop it in there, a massage bar, so that, you know, the oil doesn't get all over everywhere that I put it. So that's Sleepy Massage Bar. I would rate it a 3 out of 5 rating, but that's just me. Everyone's different. And some people use this as a solid lotion. I think it's way too oily for to be a solid lotion on my skin, but that's just my skin. You guys know how crazy my skin is. So very oily. So you should wash your hands when you're done giving a massage. Alrighty, and then oh my God, I'm so glad. Yay! So this is Intergalactic Shower Gel. Lush makes a bath bomb called Intergalactic. It's bright blue and it looks like a planet, and it makes sparkly blue water. Well, this is an exclusive shower gel made in the same minty scent, same color and same sparkles as the bath bomb. This was never sold to the public. This was only made one time in the Lush kitchen, Lush UK, along with 5 or 6 other shower gels at the same time. And so I was really glad that they remade this one because I used the other one already. And it's minty just like the bath bomb that they sell in the stores called Intergalactic. It's made with fresh peppermint infusion and peppermint oil, grapefruit oil, vetiver oil, and cedarwood oil. So it's kind of woody, kind of fruity, and pepperminty. And it's a shower gel, so look at that beautiful color. And it looks like it's medium thick. It's not thick, it's not runny. It's got sparkles in it. Oh my God, it smells so good. I voted for this. I'm so glad that we have this again. Yay. The next one is Rough with the Smooth. And this is an exfoliating, moisturizing bar that has the scent of the Lord of Misrule. Lord of Misrule shower gel, Lord of Misrule bath bomb. Lush sells those every year for Halloween and Christmas. Well, they've sold them every year for maybe the last 6 or 7 years. And this one used to be sold in stores and everything, but it was discontinued a couple of years ago. And it's got cocoa butter. It's also got exfoliating scrubbies. And the scrubbiness, the exfoliating properties are made with sugar. So this has sugar, muru butter, organic castor oil, black pepper, patchouli, vanilla. Because vanilla, black pepper, and patchouli make the Lord of Misrule scent. So it's kind of an orangey red, and it's got these little bumps to kind of massage you when you're rubbing it on your skin. If you want to rub your muscles and stuff, that's what those bumps are for. And so how you use it, how it's suggested that you use it, is you take a shower, you soap up with soap or shower gel and wash your body like you normally do in the shower, and then you rinse off. But before you dry yourself, you rub this all over any parts that need to be smoother. If you have like flaky dry skin or bumps on your arms, you rub this medium firmly and rub it around, and then you just rinse it off with warm water when you're done, and your skin will be moisturized and smooth. So that is Rough with the Smooth. And that's an old saying, the rough with the smooth, so that's why they named it that. And then I'm excited about this because you guys know I'm a bath girl, right? Oh, this is so cool. Jack was talking about this this bath bomb and how he created it. And this says, this is Lush X OSOS. I think that's what it says. This is called White Noise. White Noise. My nails look like crap, so I apologize for that, but that's what it looks like. It's blue and green and white and gray design on it. This has cedarwood, red mandarin oil, patchouli oil, and benzoin. So patchouli, cedarwood, and orange. Ooh, goodness gracious. Okay. Wow, this smells very, very citrusy. Very, very citrusy. To me, it smells like lemons or limes really strongly. Even though it doesn't have lemon or lime in the ingredients list, it does have mandarin orange oil. So it's very like, woo! It's kind of like the smell of the Avobath bath bomb, but except more. Oh, it's really nice. So I can't wait to use this, and I can't wait to see what kind of bath art this makes. And I can't really understand what this other word says on here. So it says Lush on the top, and then this other, it seems like it says OSOS. I'm not really sure. I guess I'm missing something, or I'm not as knowledgeable about what that means as some of you guys. So if you know what that is, please tell us below in the description box. So I can't wait to see what kind of bath art this has. So this is, I would rate this, I don't know, I haven't seen this in the tub, but this looks gorgeous, and it's very exclusive. Lush has never made this bath bomb ever before. It was made only for this June subscription box. So if we like it, if it's popular, they might make it as a regular bath bomb that they sell in the stores and online, or they may not. So that is White Noise bath bomb, and it's very exclusive to this box. And we have the Rough with the Smooth, and it's an exfoliating, moisturizing shower bar made in the Lord of Misrule set. The very first time this was sold was in 2014 in the Oxford Street store. This is also exclusive because it's never been made for the public or sold to the public in their stores or online. And this is also exclusive because it's never been available to the general public. It's never been in stores or online. So I'm excited about that. 4 out of 5 rating. 4 out of 5 rating. And I think this is a 5 out of 5 rating. And I'd say this is a 3 out of 5 rating. Fennel, lavender, ylang ylang. And then I'm going to open up this sleep mask. I would imagine that this sleep mask is also exclusive. So let's open this. Oh, cool. So this is a sleep mask, right? So when you want to go to sleep, but there are bright lights coming in your window for some reason, you just put this over your eyes and you can sleep like that and you won't see any lights. Very cool. It's very comfortable because it has sort of a soft finish, and I love the one open eye and the one winking eye. And then it says the Lush logo on the headband part of it to hold it on your head securely. So that is the Dreamy Sleep Mask, which is also exclusive because they don't sell this in any store, nor have they ever. So this was also made just for this box. So as far as the subscription boxes go, I like this box. I'm pleased with this subscription box because it's got a lot of exclusive things. It's got these two, which have never been made before ever, and it's got these two, which were only made for one day only in the previous incarnation of the Lush kitchen and never sold in stores. This and this are discontinued items which were sold in stores, and this one is pretty popular. It lasted for about 3 or 4 years before they discontinued it. This one lasted for about 2 or 3 years before they discontinued it. So that is the Lush kitchen subscription box, and like I say, I'm very pleased because the amount of exclusive stuff, and I'm very pleased because this is a full-size medium bottle, not a small bottle. This is not the full size, but it's not the little small size half of this either. It's kind of like what I would call it's not the sample size or small size, it's like the medium size, I guess you would say. So if you have any questions, just let me know below and I'll try to answer as soon as I can. And if you have any opinions about this box, please leave them in the description box, because I always like to know if you guys like the box for that month, or if you don't like the box for that month and what you don't like about it, etc. So that's about it, and we'll talk to you soon on the next Lush video. Bye bye.